everybody, it's me Falah. Welcome to my YouTube channel Falah the Unique. I hope you all are fine, doing amazing, and you all are safe, obviously. So, by the title, you might have understood what is the video about. It's about room tour. So first of all, let me show you this wall and then the other. So and at last I'll show you like the whole view of it. So this is a wall which is decorated by some of the posters. My cousin helped me in this a lot. So you can see these posters, and then here there are many things I'll show you guys. Just wait a second. So first of all, here is this yellow one which says yellow, and then this one is do not fear man but fear God, and I would rather have the approval of God. And this one is so cute, and yeah, let me show you all of them that I have kept here. And you can also see these lights that I've kept. I just opened them at night time, but it's not the night yet. So, and from this side there are some books, the pages of some books that I've kept here, like Dark Academy or something. And then there are many books from here. There are so many books, and they're like, I kept that for the academy, my aesthetic. And here is this brush which says do it yourself. There are many brushes in it, like you can see these brushes, compact brushes, and yeah, these are all the brushes. And then I have this cute little cat which is very cute. I keep it here like hiding somewhere. And then this phone, like 90s aesthetic. This is my childhood's telephone. I just keep it here, like okay, cool. And then here are some of my favorite things. This one at the top is a keychain. I'll show you. It's very cute, which says kind of hello. And then I have a puppet here. This one puppet. I just like to add my hand in it and then like do anything. So this is the wall opposite to my bed, and you can see these stickers and that house at the top which has some few books and 3 flowers that I have kept there. And I don't reach that place so that I can take out the books I have kept. So yeah, let's keep it like that. And this is the first one I remember. So this is the first decoration piece I have made, like different moods: sleepy, smiley, naughty, hungry, hearty moods. So this is a bed, like where I sleep. So there are some plushies over there, like panda, bear, and this blue bear, and this flower over there. It's a cushion, and let me just go on the bed so I'll show you. So this is an aesthetic indie wall. I'll show you guys it right now. So here on this wall I have the stall over here, and I have this muffler that I have kept. This is basically a cow printed muffler. I like it a lot, and I kept it for a vibe over there. And there are some flowers I made, I stick these flowers, they look real. They're not flowers actually, they're leaves. So indie hits, and I'll show you these things. I really like this print. So yeah, and this here is a CD and a Spotify playlist something. And this one I printed it out, and yeah, I just kept it cool here. And here is a butterfly, a cow printed butterfly, and these you can see. And this moody mush, I really like it a lot. This is a recent one I kept here. I really like it. I like everything. And the butterflies over here. So behind me you can see is my study table, and obviously it comes in my room, so I have to show you this also. starting from here, you can see there are many pen holders which hold everything in it. And this one, I'll show you how rare and beautiful you are. This is like a daily motivation that I have kept, like how rare and beautiful you are. And I'll show you here, I have kept these, and this are like to do, look at art, be art, make art, and like more stuff you rule. There are main things like, and these sticky notes, I have never used it, but I have kept it here. And these articles, everything you can imagine is real. And this planet Saturn, mountains, believe, and the sunflower, oh my god, I kept it for Vincent Gong, but oh my god. And here you can see, and these flowers are just ruined, but I still keep them. What is this doing here? So anyways, this is like a photo card stuff, like Dope and Nike and some girls. Cool, right? So here is this notebook which I was drawing a while ago, and I was making something like this. So here are some journals and some notebooks, and this unicorn box, I have kept it here. And here are some pens of mine that I barely use, and yeah, here are these notebooks I love a lot, and this one is the most favorite. And these, I'll show you, this one is, oh my god, Minions, I really like them, and I kept them here. And these flowers are here, so I don't know why I kept them. So this was all. I showed you my room, and this was amazing, I know, right? So I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And now I'll meet you in my next video with my puppet. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down what you want me to do next. And follow me on my Instagram. ID is on the screen, or link you can go in the description. I'll give the link in the description. You can click and follow me there. And on Facebook also you can follow me. So now I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, goodbye, Allah Hafiz. This is me standing off. Bye bye.